Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I was going to show you what I found with this car here, 986 Boxster. In the morning when you start it up, it's blow a lot of smoke, sometimes a bit of smoke in the morning. That depends. What I done, I take the actual intake off. That's the intake manifold. Take the intake manifold off properly to have a look inside. If there's oil in there, and that means your oil vapor separator. Alright, sorry, just bear with me. Look at that. Look at that. That's oil inside there. See? Oil in there. It's on that side there. And this side here as well. See that oil? See that? See? There's oil in there. Pretty much full of oil. Even the ink. That's it's pretty hard to see actually, sorry. See in there? That's your distribution pipe from the intake airflow meter. A lot of oil inside there as well. So what happened when you start this oil here, because your oil vapor separator, which is this part here, see in there? Oil there. Should be no oil there, just vapor. The diaphragm inside here collapsed and allows the crankcase breather to come through here. This is your ventilation for your crankcase. So oil comes through there and the oil gets stopped and go back to the engine. What happened, they go through and the diaphragm inside the rubber collapse and they start to leak oil in from there into the intake manifold, which is there. So the only way to test it is actually remove the intake manifold and have a look. Alright, so now what I'll do now, I've got to clean the intake manifold with the actual cleaner and clean that distribution pipe as well and put a new oil vapor separator and then drive the car to burn all the oil off proper. But it takes a while for the actual smoke to stop. But it'll get better, smaller and smaller and smaller every time you start it up in the morning. Alright? Thanks for watching and please subscribe.